Hello everyone, in this video we are going to explore how you can earn money online. If you are looking for easy ways to start earning money from the comfort of your home, you are in the right place. Let's dive into it. There is an app called M-Pesa, which is an exciting platform that lets you make money online through some tasks like installing apps, playing games, watching some ads and taking some surveys, etc. To get started, you have to go to your Google Play Store or App Store. And in the search box, search for M-Pesa and install the app. And after installing, tap on open. And you have to register to the M-Pesa through your Gmail account. And this type of dashboard will be open. And here you have to earn M-Pesa coin. To earn that coin, you have to tap on play now. And here you can see various types of game. You can play this game and earn M-Pesa coin. You can choose anyone that you like. Let's say I choose this one. And to see further more details, you have to tap on more. And here you can see the description of the game. And here you can see rewards. For playing 1 minute, you can earn 7 M-Pesa coin. And for another minute, you can see again 7 M-Pesa coin. And after 2 more minutes, you can earn 8 M-Pesa coin. Like this, you can earn M-Pesa coin. And you can see the reward conditions. And here, after playing that games for some time, if you didn't get your reward instantly, you don't have to worry about that because your reward will be credited within 24 hours. And these games are only for new users. And the most important one is that you have to download this game using the link in the offer. And lastly, if you complete all the tasks of this game, then your all reward will be credited within 48 hours. Now, to download this game, you have to tap on play now and tap on install. Now, after installing that app, you have to tap on play. And you have to play that games for some time, like you can play that games for like 5 to 10 minutes. And now you'll get the reward after playing that games. And if you didn't get the reward instantly, you don't have to worry about that because according to reward conditions, your reward will be credited within 24 hours. So you don't have to worry about that. And now to earn more money, you can do some surveys or you can tap on top offers and you can see exclusive offers. And you can complete this task also. And to earn more coins for free, you can tap on scratch it. And now you can scratch the card to earn some coin. And now you can tap on streaks. And here you can also earn some coin for free by maintaining the streaks. And by tapping on invite, you can invite your friends and families to play this game through your referral link. You can copy your referral link by tapping on this icon and you can share your referral link to your social media also. And to redeem your coins, you can tap on redeem. And here you can redeem your coins through different ways. You can see various options. I'll choose mobile recharge and I'll choose this option. And here you have to enter your number and tap on next. Then you'll be able to redeem your coins as your mobile recharge. So that's it. This is how you can earn money through this app. And if you are interested, sign up for M-Pesa today and start earning money online. And if you found this video helpful, then consider subscribing and leave a like. And I'll be back with another video like this. Thanks for watching. Happy earning!